one important resource aspect of Westlaw is when a student is facing a terminology. And in law, they'll have a term, and that term may address an entire concept. And so, sometimes instructors or lawyers will give their own shorthand definition of things. But you can use Westlaw as a valuable tool to gain more insight into the concept associated with the term. And keep in mind when you research, let's say, a term by case law, well, you get the court's actual position as to what the definition is and what they think someone needs to understand about that particular term, the concept, the principle, whatever it is. So, at any rate, you see there that you have an assignment where you're using Westlaw to actually find cases that define specific terms. And the idea is that it's one way of learning terms, and it also gives you the skills if you encounter this on the job where you're facing, you're in the middle of something and up comes this term and you're just not that familiar with it, or you need to validate what it is. Well, you can use Westlaw and research it. Inject the term. If the term is quantum meruit, well, you can put that term in there and quantum meruit and definition, that sort of thing. So the point is that like everything else, it takes practice, and like everything else, the first time you do it, it's gonna be tough. But the good news is it keeps on getting easier. Okay, so at any rate, that's your assignment with respect to Westlaw. Okay, your research assignment. And once again, I understand that, gosh, the hurricanes come at the most inconvenient times, but you should be able to reach me over the next week, and I return all my calls, and so if you need to talk to me or text me or whatever, I will work to be diligent to get back to you. Okay, have at it, and stay dry.